Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add songs to a YouTube music playlist. Whether you are creating a chill mix for your commute, collating workout jams, or just combining tunes for a virtual gathering, this video will help you out. First of all, open up the YouTube Music application from your device. Make sure that you're already signed in with your Google account's credential and go ahead and use the search bar at the top right to locate a song or the track you want to add. Once you search for the track, from the search result, find the track and tap on the three dots right next to it. From the pop-up at the bottom, go ahead and click on Save to Playlist. Now, on the next page, choose an existing playlist. You can also create a new playlist by tapping on the New Playlist button at the bottom right. You can then write down the name for the playlist and its description and click on Create. To add it on an existing playlist, you can go ahead and select one playlist from the All Playlist page. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a song to your playlist on YouTube Music. That is how you can easily build and customize your playlist with fresh features. So that is how you can easily add a music to your YouTube Music playlist in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.